Hello friends, welcome to Cool IT Help. Today I will show you how you can reset the Mac Mini password. Here you can see on my screen, I'm trying the password, but this is not working. If I try more than 3 times, this will lock the computer for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Then if you try more than 3 times, 4 times, this will be locked for an hour. I'm going to tell you the process to fix this, and this method will work for Mac M1, M2, M3, M4 chip, silicon chip based Mac Mini. And the same method will work for the MacBook as well. You can try and fix the password. Let's do it. What we have to do, this process is simple. Simply shut down the system and now look for the backside. Here's the power button. Press it. Keep pressing until you see something on the screen, which is the recovery mode. Once the screen will appear, then we will leave this button. Okay, I have released the button. When I saw the options and the Mac HD icon, once you see this, simply select the options, click on the continue. Now we are going inside the recovery mode. There we will see some options and we will perform the next step to reset the password. Okay, at this place, go to the top menu and select the terminal. Once the terminal is open, here we have to type a simple command. Reset password. Then press enter. Okay, then you will see this pop-up window in front of you. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this forget all password blue link, and then again you will see this different screen. There is a message. Don't worry about this message. This is one of the process and your all data will be saved. No issue. Click on this deactivate Mac and the pop-up will appear. Click on the deactivate and this will take little bit time. It may display this kind of message. Activation log status could not be determined. Don't worry. Don't just click on the previous and now again click on this deactivate. In some cases, it will detect and will take you to the next process. If you see this message, we have to repeat the same. Then again, we will click on this. And after that, you will see the users like for which you want to set the password. Select user and this pop-up window to reset the password. Type a new password and type password again to verify. Click on the set password. Once the password is set, you will see this green dot start appearing. Okay, in the similar way, you can set the password for the other users as well. Everything is fine. Now you can simply go to the top, click on this Apple icon. Now click on the restart. Now system is going to restart. We are done. Now system is booting up and then you will see this kind of a screen, activate Mac. Simply click on the user. Because we have reset the password for the admin. Now we will type the password which we have recently created. Click continue and this will take little bit time to load everything and then you will see a message. Your Mac is activated and restart will be done in next 55 seconds. You can simply click on this button for the quick restart. It's done. Now system is loading again from the fresh. And soon you will see the login screen on your Mac. See this? Now we can simply enter the new password here to log in inside the Mac. Here I have entered the new password. Press enter. Bingo, it's unlocked. It's quite simple and easy process. You can do it your own and you can unlock, reset the password. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please subscribe to appreciate. And for now, thanks for watching.